My name is Brynjar Halldorsson. I have worked for PerfecTest as Director of Engineering for over 13 years. When Mr. Parr retired, I accepted the position of President of the PerfecTest Corporation. Over 20 years ago, Mr. Parr founded American Testing Corporation, which manufactured and distributed the PerfecTest systems. Later, Mr. Parr formed the PerfecTest Corporation, which now makes the PerfecTest systems. Tom had only one goal in mind, and that was to help PCB manufacturers to better the production by minimizing inner layer registration in the PCBs. This was accomplished with the PerfecTest system. PerfecTest systems are now in PCB factories in over 20 countries, helping these factories keep their manufacturing process running with minimized inner layer registration errors. Minimizing inner layer registration errors in PCBs is an ongoing process due to the environmental effect, changes in materials during the manufacturing process, wear and tear in equipment, and errors people make. I have a question for you. How much of your production do you scrap? Does your quality control include fixing the manufacturing process immediately when you discover an inner layer registration error that is greater than your customer's allowed tolerance or your factory allowed tolerance? If your answer is yes to either of these questions, PerfecTest is needed in your factory. When a job is finished, the whole history of your manufacturing process is embedded in the PCB panel. The focus of PerfecTest is to fix the production process rather than trying to save the PCB. By fixing the process, you do not need to save the panel. Here is where the value of PerfecTest comes in. PerfecTest will identify if there are inner layer errors in your production process due to artwork, imaging, lamination, and/or drilling. I hope I have been informative. I know that the PerfecTest system will help you identify inner layer registration errors. If you have any questions, please call me at 206-465-4997 or send me an email to information@perfecttest.com. Thank you for your time.